Day two of shorting Robinhood stock and being in the red. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. Just like I've shared with you guys before, here to show all of the green days and, of course, all of the red days. Yesterday, I showed one of the positions that I was actually in the red, right? I took a total of 4 trades. 3 were green. I made like a little bit over $6,000, but 1 was red, and that was Robinhood. And I was down about $3,000 on that trade yesterday. Today, I'm down about $984 on it. It's showing signs of resistance. It's beginning to show early signs of a potential reversal. We have no confirmation of that, so it could definitely still continue to indicate signs of an uptrend. But on the 30-minute time frame, it is screaming overbought. But I think I'm going to run out of time because today it's the FOMC rate decision. The Federal Reserve at 2 p.m. Eastern time is going to go live with their rate cut, is what is expected. They are expected to cut interest rates 25 basis points. And then 30 minutes after, Jerome Powell is going to go live and actually answer questions. We actually plan to live stream all of this for free on our YouTube channel. And all you literally need to do is subscribe and get this video to over 1,000 likes. With that being said, man, I want Robinhood to sell off. I mean, you guys let me know what it is that you think, but just everything. NASDAQ market incredibly overbought and bullish. Hood incredibly overbought but bullish. It's like the market is pumping because Trump, right? Trump won the presidential race. That's great news. The thing that I want to remind everyone is that this doesn't change anything fundamentally, right? The market is still what it was 48 hours ago. And that's the part that is just, I think, really encouraging to look out for these pockets of opportunity. I don't expect that the market has to correct itself right off the bat. But again, any reaction tends to be an overreaction, and I'm just excited to prep for it. So again, $3,000 loss yesterday. As of right now, down about $1,000 on my current trade. We'll see where we end up actually ending the day, because yesterday I did end up green because of my other trades, but I'm looking for confirmation so I can really step on the gas. So I'd like to be into this for about $250,000 to $300,000 actively shorting Robinhood when we have full confirmation of this thing actively selling off. With a nice little retracement back to the same support that we had yesterday, that would be about nearly a 10% sell off. So 10% margin, even if I capture 5 to 7% of that, I would be very, very happy. Obviously, leave room for error. But again, the Federal Reserve is going to be cutting interest rates. So if by the time that it's 2 p.m. Eastern time comes around and it's still holding that, like this resistance level, I'm just going to have to close out my short because it's going to be too risky. I do not want to still be in Robinhood shorting when the market could continue to skyrocket if the Federal Reserve cuts rates and the market reacts in a positive way. There's just too much hype, too much momentum. One stock that is crashing today is DJT. DJT actively selling off, down 20% on the day. Absolutely tanking, and really happy that we took profits on this yesterday, and then it just sold off for the remainder of the day. So just be very cautious when it comes down to trading these lower cap stocks that tend to be more of pump and dumps. Know when to take profits. The only other one that I quickly want to bring up is SMCI. SMCI is ripping up after reporting earnings, selling off, dropping 20-30%. Finally found its support, and it has a nice little rip up. Looks extremely overbought, but again, price action looks bullish right now. So again, paying attention to the market. But I want to remind you, it doesn't matter what the market is doing as of right now because it can completely change direction when the Federal Reserve cuts interest rates, and that's at 2 p.m. Eastern time. So you guys let me know down in the comment section what you think is going to happen. But again, when in doubt, never be afraid to cash out, especially when more volatility is about to present itself. But again, market looks incredibly bullish. It literally looks unstoppable. Above the moving average, above the EMA, it's struggling to pull back. Like it's literally not pulling on back. And that's really when you don't want to trade against the market until we get full-on confirmation that yes, we are going to pull on back. Then at that point, it's only a matter of time. Again, it's the rubber band effect. The more overbought it becomes, eventually that rubber band will snap and it will correct itself. It always happens. We just got to give it the time that it needs for it to correct itself. So excited to follow up. I'll see you today at 2 p.m. Eastern time. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a thumbs up. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.